Greetings from the future of opulent travel. A mobile masterpiece that redefines elegance, comfort, and performance on the road is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. With sleek, aerodynamic, and contemporary design lines that were probably lifted from the most recent Sprinter, the exterior immediately conveys the premium image that Mercedes-Benz is known for. It has a dominating appearance because to its unique front fascia with big grille and multifunction LED lighting, and its streamlined body and huge panoramic windows offer an unparalleled interior visual experience. The motorhome's 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, OM654, powers it efficiently and powerfully. There will likely be a selection of power levels, including a 190 PS, 140 kilowatts, option for more performance, or even 170 PS, 125 kilowatts, with 400 Newton meters of torque. With a choice between rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, AWD, for more versatility, this engine is paired to a seamless 9G-tronic automatic gearbox, guaranteeing a quick and smooth driving experience in a range of road conditions. The cockpit is elegant and well-designed when you enter the driver's compartment. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome's dashboard is expected to include a sizable and completely integrated MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, display. It's also possible that two sizable digital screens will be combined into one unit, one serving as the entertainment and control center and the other as the instrument cluster. Through simple touch or voice controls, the driver will have quick access to a variety of car and motorhome operations. This space will be decorated with fine wood elements, leather, and aluminum accents, which will give it an opulent sense that is in line with the Mercedes-Benz brand. As we move inside, we find that this motorhome's interior is the ideal fusion of elegance and practicality. A large and pleasant room for lounging or socializing is created by the living area's ingenious adaptable arrangement, which may include an electric slide-out feature that may enlarge the space when stopped. Maximum comfort is provided with high-end leather couches and chairs, and a cozy and welcoming ambience is produced by adjustable LED ambient lighting. While retaining privacy, large windows with electronic blinds offer stunning views of the outside world. The bedroom space is intended to be a comfortable and peaceful private haven. A queen or king-sized bed with a top-notch mattress and plush sheets is what you can anticipate. All of your possessions will be kept in order thanks to a roomy built-in closet with drawers and hanging space. Every night will feel like a five-star hotel stay thanks to the addition of individual lighting, USB charging connections, and maybe a concealed flat-screen TV. This motorhome's bathroom is a personal haven. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome will include a roomy washroom with high-end amenities, in contrast to traditional RVs. There is a contemporary porcelain toilet, a separate glass shower with high water pressure, and a sophisticated sink with high-end granite. This space will be more comfortable and useful with features like LED-lit mirrors, intelligent storage cabinets, and effective ventilation. Designed to satisfy the demands of the gourmet, the kitchen is the focal point of this opulent motorhome. It has top-notch appliances, such as a microwave, convection oven, induction cooktop, refrigerator, freezer, and maybe a small dishwasher. Quartz countertops and other high-quality materials offer a sophisticated appearance and are simple to maintain. Ergonomically constructed cabinets will provide ample room for storing groceries and kitchenware, enabling you to create delectable meals wherever your travels take you.